Now we see linear pair. First one is complementary angle, the second one is supplementary angle, the third one is adjacent angle, the fourth one is linear pair. See, consider the pair of angles in the figure given alongside. See, this is A, this one is B. Then, in a given figure, angle A and angle B are, what is that? Adjacent to each other. Clear? Now, you can add both angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Right? See here, angle A plus angle B, for in this diagram you will get 180 degree. Here angle A and angle B are adjacent as well as supplementary. Right? See, this is our adjacent and also supplementary. Clear? What is mean by supplementary? You can add the two angle, you will get 180 degree means that is called then supplementary. Adjacent means, see, this is one angle, this is another angle. So, these two angles are called adjacent angle. So, they are said to form a linear pair. Okay. What is mean by linear pair? Angle A and angle B are adjacent as well as supplementary. They are called to form a linear pair. So, linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles which are supplementary. That is the proper definition. See, what is that? A linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles which are supplementary. Okay, the linear pair is a pair of adjacent angles which are supplementary. Clear? Okay. In a linear pair, the non-common arms are opposite rays. Okay. Now we have to see the next one is vertically opposite angles. The fifth one, vertically opposite angles. See here. Look at the picture given alongside. You can see that four angles are formed at the common point. Right? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 angles are formed at a common point. Okay. That common point, let us take P. Okay. That common point name is, let us take P. Okay. Wow. In earlier classes, you have learnt that two lines intersect only at one point. Now, let us consider two lines L1 and L2 intersecting at a point P. Clear? Let us name our four angles formed as, see, this is angle 1 and then angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. There are four linear pairs in a given figure alongside. Okay, this is a linear pair, right? What is the linear pair? Adjacent angle. That means the linear pair is nothing but is a pair of adjacent angles which are supplementary. Okay, see, these four linear pairs in a given figure alongside. Okay, now let us consider angle 1 and angle 3. Okay, see here, angle 1 and angle 3, they have a common vertex P. but they do not have a common arm. Right? So which one is the common arm? Do not have a common arm. See, what is that? Angle 1 and angle 3, they have a common vertex P, but they do not have a common arm. Right? Similarly, angle 2 and angle 4 also have a common vertex P, but no common arm. These angles are called vertically opposite angles. Okay. So, when two lines intersect, the pairs of angles formed without a common arm are called vertically opposite angles. That is the proper definition. See, what is that? When two lines intersect, the pairs of angles formed without a common arm are called vertically opposite angles. Clear? When two lines intersect, the pairs of angles formed without a common arm are called vertically opposite angles. Everybody clear? Now, see some exercise problem. Check whether the following pairs of angles are complementary. Okay, your question is, what is that? Check whether the following pairs of angles are complementary. See here, the first one, see this diagram. I can take this one as 65 degree. Next, this is, let us take 15 degree. See here, the sum of the measures of the two angles is equal to the sum of the measures of the two angles is equal to, see here, 65 degree plus 15 degree. Okay, this is 15 degree. Okay, what is that? 65 degree plus 15 degree? You will get 80 degree. Okay, so the angles are complementary. Clear? Is it right? No. The sum of two measures of the two angles, you will get 90 degree, means that is an complementary. So this is not a complementary. So we can say, so the angles are not complementary. Everybody clear the solution? See the diagram. The sum of the measures of these two angles, you will get the 80 degree, but the complementary means you need 90 degree. But in this problem, you will get only for 80 degree. So the angles are not complementary. Clear? See the next diagram. You can take this is 35 degree. Okay, the next one. (55°). See, 35 degree and 55 degree. See, you can add, what will you get? 55 plus 35, you will get 90 degrees. So the angles are complementary. Okay, so you clear that the given problem in this problem is called an complementary. Now you need the step mark. Okay, so you have to write in this line the sum of the measures of the two angles is equal to 35 degree plus 55 degree is equal to, you got a 90 degree. So angles are complementary. Clear? Okay, done. See the next one. Find the complementary of the following angles. Find the complement of the following angles. Okay, see here. The first problem is 67 degree. Okay, what is meaning by the complementary? See, the complementary is nothing but the sum of the measures of the two angle get 90 degree, right? So the one angle is 67 degree. What is the another angle? See, what is the another angle? 23. So what is your question? Find the complement of the following angles. The one is 67. What is the another one? 23 degree. Clear, everybody? See the next one. 49 degree. See, 49 degree is there. What is the another angle? You need complementary, means you need the both angle you can add, means you will get 90 degree. The one angle is 49. What is the another angle? 41 degree. Clear, everybody? Now see the next one. 55 degree. The one angle is 55 degree. What is the another angle? 35 degree. Everybody clear? Now see the next problem. Find the complement and supplement of the following angles. Okay, see here, find the complement and supplement. Okay, see, you can take one angle is 75 degree. See here, the complement of 75 degree is nothing but, see here, the proper procedure is you can write. I can write in this problem. Okay, see, what is the complement of 75 degree? You need 90 degree. Complementary means 90 degree. But one angle is 75. What is the another angle? Another angle is 15. So I have to write the proper way. The complement of (75 degree) is equal to, complement means 90 degree. The one is 75. So 90 degree minus 75. What will you get? 15 degree. The another one is 15 degree. Clear? See here, in this problem also you can write in this method. Okay, in this method. See, what do you the next one? Supplement. What is the supplement? The sum of two angles you will get 180 degree, means that is called the supplementary. So the next one, the supplement of 75 degree is nothing but what is meaning by the supplement? 180 degree. So the one is 75 degree. What is the another angle? 180 degree minus 75 degree means 105 degree. Clear? Okay. See the next one. You can take 42 degree. What is the complement of 42 degree? The complement of 42 degrees equal to 90 degree minus 42 degree. What is 90 degree minus 42 degree? What will you get? 48. So another angle is 48. Then you can find the supplement. The supplement of what? 75 degree is equal, 42, right, 42 degree. So 180 degree minus 42 degree. What is 180 degree minus 42 degree? 138. Clear? So 138 degree. The supplement of 42 degree is 138 degree. Clear? Now see the next problem. Which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary? Okay, see here, this is very easy. Which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary? Okay, see the question. The first one, 72 degree, 18 degree. The second one, 108, 72 degree. The third one, 67 degree and then 113 degree. The fourth one, 87 degree, 3 degree. See here, what is the question? Which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary? What is the meaning for complementary? The sum of the measures of two pairs of angle is 90 degree means that is complementary. The sum of the measures of two pairs of angles is 180 degree means that is supplementary. Okay, so the complementary means the sum of angle 90 degree. Supplementary means the sum of angle 180 degree, right? So see this problem, 72 degree plus 18 degree. What will you get? 90 degree. So 90 degree means we can say this is an what? Complementary angle. Okay, and then 108 plus 72 degree. What will you get? 180 degree. So 180 degree means we can say that is called supplementary or otherwise supplement. Okay, see here, 67 plus 113. What do you got? You got 180 degree. So you got it 180 degree. So 180 degree means supplementary. The next one, 87 degree plus 3 degree. You will get 90 degree. So 90 degree means we can say the given problem is complementary or complement. Everybody clear? See, the sum of two angles you will get 90 degree means complement. The sum of two angles you will get 180 degree means supplementary. Okay, so the properly you can write, see the first problem, 72 degree plus 18 degree equal to 19 degree. So we can say this is an complement. Okay. Similarly, the next all problem you can proceed the same method. Okay. This is no need. This is for your reference only. Okay. Everybody clear? Thank you.